When you buy any product, you always want to take care of it so that you can maximize its life. If you buy a car, there are maintenance procedures you need to take care of, like changing the oil, air filters, or other items. The same is true with a water softener. Keeping the salt in it is important, but all water softeners can use a little help occasionally. Of course, one of the most important things with any water softener is to have a pre-filter, even if you're on city water. But it's really important on well water. A pre-filter, like our Magna filter, protects the internals of the water softener from sand, sediment, and things that can be stirred up when a city flushes its hydrants or a water main breaks. The single most important thing you can do to protect your water softener is to make sure it has a pre-filter. Your car will run without an oil filter, but it will run longer with one. The next most important thing to do is use a resin cleaning agent like US Water Systems ResClean. This is a specially formulated water softener cleaner that is NSF certified as safe and protects your investment while helping your water softener operate more efficiently and longer. On city water, you just pour a bottle in the brine well every other month, and on well water, you should add a bottle every month. Of course, if you have really horrible water, you can add it more often to maintain its optimum efficiency. ResClean will keep your water softener running and performing well for many years to come. It's available in 6 or 12 packs, and if you need more information, call us today at 1-800-608-8792.